So this was the Yeezy day we should have had. We never had, but now they've given it to us because they're not with Yeezy. Let's get into this. Yes, people, time recording this, it is the 1st of June and this is the Yeezy drop. And I'm going to call it the Yeezy day because it was simple. So from 2 days ago, you had early access unconfirmed to 2 silhouettes. You had the Onyx 350 version 2s and the Beluga 350 version 2s. Going for £200. Not bad, considering that Yeezy 350s were 180 when they originally came out. Higher than most trainers, but we knew that. So it's £200, can't really argue with. It's a good deal. You participated in the confirmed app, and on the 31st of August, they let you know if you won or not. On the 31st of August, they also dropped other kicks, what you could participate in the drop to get. Now, these included the blue slides, and I think it may have been a foam runner. I can't remember. But as of the 1st of June, everything they listed they were going to drop, they dropped. This was the Yeezy day. It was the Yeezy day, what should have been. Now, let's just go through what they dropped. So, first of all, like I said, you had the Onyx 350 version 2 costing £200. They're still sitting as we stand now. You can participate and get them again. Yeah. Nice kick. Just a black trainer, triple black or triple Onyx. Worth a shout. Then we had the Beluga 350s, which I already spoke about. Again, these were £200. These are sitting again. Don't think a lot of people pick them up. So you can still try and get them now, which is crazy. The next drop they had was the blue slides. Now, those were going for £60 and they went. They just went. They're not even on the confirmed app anymore. Then they had the foam runners, which I think, if I remember correctly, I don't know what colour they were. They were like a beige colour, or whatever colour they wanted to call them. And they had the other foam runners, which were like all different kind of dark, earthy type colours. They were going for £80, if I remember correctly, which is £10 increase on the £70 they were before. So not too bad. They're gone. They're not even coming up on confirmed app anymore. So that was that. The other drops they had was the 450s in the stone teal colour. It was a triple tone. It's a grey colour. These were going for £180. I cannot remember how much they were going for before. I think they were like 150. I might be wrong, but I feel like this is a big jump for the 450s to 180, considering what kind of kicks they were. But again, they're still ready to drop. Like the drop hasn't come. You can still participate and get those kicks. The next drop was the Yeezy 380s. Now these were called the Coville Light, I think, the triple Coville Light. These are going for £200. Again, you can still enter the drop as of this video. So it looks like they had a lot of pairs, or people just haven't picked them up. Can't really argue. I don't think it's one of the best drops or silhouettes for Yeezy anyway. Just my opinion. Very comfortable though. I have worn them. They're very comfortable. So the boost in them, phenomenal. We then had the Yeezy 350, which again was in a triple utility black. Now, I prefer the boot version of these, but the 500s are pretty nice. These are going for £175. Now, this is where I was saying to you, I think the 450s had a bit of a bump when it comes to pricing, because I think these were more expensive than the 450s. But now these are going for £175. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it was the boots were more expensive, but let me know in the comments what you think about these. The next drop they had was the Yeezy 350 version 2 compact. Now these were going in the slate white, triple slate white colour. Again, these were going for £200. Not my favourite kind of silhouette, if I'm honest with you, but you know, it's decent enough. Again, you could, at the time of recording this video, you could still pick them up. So either they sold out and they restocked, or they just didn't sell out. So they still got pairs to go and no one's picking them up. Next on the list was obviously the Yeezy 700 version 2 Tepra. Is it Tepra? Maybe I'm saying that wrong. But these were going for £220. Again, I saw these sell out and then restock. Even at the time of this video, you can still participate to get them again. £220, pushing the limit. That's what I would say, pushing the limit. Maybe that's why they're still sitting. The ones what I thought would have just sold out completely, which are the 350 version 2. I call them the zebras, but they call them white, core black and red. Now, these were going for £200 as well. I swear they sold out, but looking at the confirmed app right now, it says participate £200. So they're still there. And it says the draw would be done on the 1st of June at 3:10 British Standard Time. That's gone. The time of recording this video, it's late at night. So obviously they're still trying, and it says last chance to cop. So, you know, if you didn't already, try again. We then had the Onyx slides, the black slides. These were going for £60, triple black, nice kick. If you hadn't got slides before, then this is definitely one to get, because if you're that type of person who likes to wear them on the street, these are very inconspicuous and very comfortable. So you could go for those. Again, I thought these had sold out, but it looks like they're back on the app. Participation. Again, it says the draws on the 1st of June at 10 past 3, but that's clearly gone past and you can still get them. So they must have restocked, or they didn't sell out, which I'm quite surprised about. £60, not too bad. The one that I thought wouldn't sell out, and I'm only saying this because of the price, is the Yeezy 700 Triple Salt. Now, these are going for £250. I think they're a clean trainer, and I would have definitely gone for them, but £250, just, they've hit that ceiling, I think, where people start thinking, you know, it's not quite the price people want to pay anymore, especially with cost of living right now. It's just not that I have to have it kick. Do you know what I mean? So I'm not surprised these haven't sold out. It does just say enter drop. It doesn't say when it drops or how long. It just says enter drop. It says this is a queue drop, a queue drop. So how the queue drop works, it basically says once you already enter the queue proceeds orders randomly, giving everyone a fair chance to shop the drop. Stay in the app while you're waiting in the queue. Your order will be processed automatically if you get through. So it just says enter drop now, and then I suppose you have to wait and sit in the app and see if you get it. But not be funny, this has been like this all day, so they must have tons sitting there, and I don't think a lot of people go for this. And I personally think it's the price. $250 just, for me, just seems a little too much. That's all I can say, just too much. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Let's see if on the 2nd of June, they're back in stock and they're restocking. But like I said to you before, if you remember the Yeezy days before, where they'd done all those hidden Easter eggs and you had to click on this and you didn't know, and you just basically missed out, where you did find out where the clue was, it had already been sold out. It was a shocking day. This is how you do a Yeezy day. You could go broke, but I don't think people are going to go broke for this. I don't think everyone's trying to cop as much as they can, because they've probably copped what they've had before. And you've got to remember, it would be interesting to see if these are the only Yeezys they had sitting in warehouses. I have a feeling we're going to see some more. Honestly, I have a feeling we're going to see some more. This was probably the first batch. They're going to see how this went in terms of sales. I think they would have done well. I think they just had a lot there to think, so there's always going to be restocks. I think tomorrow we're going to see some more restocks on the 2nd of June. But yeah, for me, this was a Yeezy day. This is how you do it, Adidas and Yeezy. A Yeezy day where everyone can cop. No hidden secrets, no finding, no stupid games. Just a good, simple Yeezy day. Show me where it is. Show me how much it is. Let me enter. Fingers crossed. Simple. Listen, Patrick T, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit notification bell. Really does help. I have copped a Yeezy. I'm not telling you which one it is, but watch out for my video. Definitely have to hit the notification bell so you know I've uploaded that. But I'm out. Patrick T. Peace.